Ever planning a trip to Norway, the land of fjords, breathtaking landscapes, and vipps? If you haven't heard of vipps, it's basically the magic key to unlocking everyday life in Norway. From paying for your morning coffee to splitting the bill after dinner, vipps is everywhere. But here's the catch. To use vipps, you need BankID, a Norwegian digital identification system. So, what if you're just visiting? Are you stuck fumbling with cash or trying to explain your non-existent BankID to confused shopkeepers? Fear not, intrepid traveler. This video will break down whether you can use vipps in Norway without BankID, explore some alternative payment methods, and offer some handy travel hacks. Why is BankID such a big deal? Norway is a leader in digital payments, and security is a top priority. BankID acts like your digital passport, verifying your identity for online services like vipps. It's a great system for Norwegians, but it can create a hurdle for visitors. Can you sneak past the BankID barrier? Unfortunately, using vipps without BankID isn't currently possible. Vipps requires verification through BankID, which is linked to your Norwegian national identity number. So, unless you have a secret Norwegian citizenship you haven't mentioned, using the app is out. But wait, there's hope. Don't despair. Here are some alternative payment methods you can use in Norway. International credit cards. Most major credit cards like Visa and MasterCard are widely accepted in Norway. You might encounter some smaller shops that prefer cash, but for the most part, your plastic friend will be your best companion. Debit cards. Check with your bank to see if your debit card works for international transactions. Be aware of potential foreign transaction fees, though. Contactless payments. Many shops and public transport systems in Norway are equipped for contactless payments. If your card has a tap-to-pay function, you're good to go. Cash. While not as common as digital payments, cash is still accepted in Norway. It's a good idea to have some kroner on hand for emergencies or those rare shops that don't take cards. Travel hacks for payment-savvy adventurers. Inform your bank. Let your bank know you'll be traveling to Norway to avoid any issues with international transactions. Consider a travel card. Prepaid travel cards can be a convenient way to manage your spending and avoid currency exchange hassles. Embrace the Viking spirit. Think of using cash as a chance to experience Norway like a local. Just remember to exchange some currency beforehand. Remember, while using vipps might be out of reach, there are plenty of other ways to navigate the world of Norwegian payments. With a little planning and these handy tips, you'll be a payment pro on your Norwegian adventure. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.